Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to use AirDrop on iPhone or iPad. First of all, slide up the bar. Then click on the AirDrop option. Choose the Everyone option in AirDrop. Then click to accept the AirDrop from your friends. Go into Gallery and open a photo. Click on the Add a Caption icon from the bottom of the photo to see the specification. Open a video and click on the Share icon. Choose the AirDrop option. Then click on your friend's AirDrop profile. Press Done to send the photo. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.